Hey there, pool owners. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on everything you need. Today, we're diving into a crucial product for maintaining your swimming pool's health and longevity, the Clorox Pool&Spa Swimming Pool Calcium Hardness Increaser. Now, calcium hardness might not be the first thing on your mind when it comes to pool maintenance, but it's absolutely essential. This product right here is touted as one of the best calcium increasers available, and we're about to find out why. Let's talk about why you might need this. Calcium hardness is crucial for pool water balance. Too low, and your pool's surfaces can corrode. Too high, and you risk scale formation. The Clorox Pool&Spa Calcium Hardness Increaser is designed to bring those levels into the ideal range, protecting your pool from damage and ensuring crystal clear water. What sets this apart? It's not just about preventing corrosion, etching, and staining, though it does that exceptionally well. This granular formula is easy to use and quickly dissolves, ensuring even distribution throughout your pool. Plus, it's compatible with plaster pools and areas with soft water, making it versatile for various pool types. Imagine extending the life of your pool equipment and surfaces. By maintaining proper calcium hardness levels, you're not only safeguarding against costly repairs, but also ensuring that your pool remains a pristine oasis for years to come. It's all about that peace of mind, knowing your pool is in top-notch condition. So, there you have it, the Clorox Pool&Spa Swimming Pool Calcium Hardness Increaser. Your pool's best friend in maintaining water balance and protecting against damage. If you're looking to invest in your pool's longevity and clarity, this is a product worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into products that make a difference. Until next time, keep your pool pristine with Product Critique.